Good morning and good news, my dear clients. For only 47K down payment, payable pa up to 6 months, and 5K reservation fee, mapapasayo na ang bahay na ito. This is Rustan Marco, your trusted real estate agent from Alta Realty. Sabana is located at Barangay Soledad, San Pablo City. Very accessible siya sa lahat ng establishment like schools, hospital, and pasyalan. 10 minutes away lang sa city proper and 15 minutes away lang sa SM City San Pablo. 24 hours din ang transportation dito, kaya anytime pwede ka na makauwi. This house has 3 bedrooms, two toilet and bath, living area, dining area, service area, and a car park. Complete finish turnover na rin siya, kaya ikaw at family mo na lang ang kulang. For the first 100 units lang ito, kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Reserve na. For more info, contact me at 0960-4000-724 or message me at my FB account, Rustan Perez Marco. See you soon, dear clients. God bless.